Hello everyone. Welcome to Programming in C for Beginners. I am Amit Kumar and this is the 20th tutorial output function. So today we are going to discuss about that printf function which you were seeing from many of the programs till now. Now C language provides an inbuilt function to print the output on the console screen, and this inbuilt function is known as printf. Now there are two syntax of using printf. Now you can see the first syntax in which we are passing the string constant inside the pair of parentheses of the printf, and in the second one we are actually passing two things separated by comma. The first one will be the format specifier and the second one will be the argument list. Now in this tutorial I will explain you what is format specifier and how we are going to provide them and what do we mean by argument list. But a string constant is already being discussed in one of our previous tutorial, and you know that the collection of characters enclosed in double quotes are nothing but string constant. So here the first syntax is used to print any message and the second syntax is used to print values of variables. So if you are going to print only messages, the first syntax is capable to do so. But if you want to print values of variables along with messages, then definitely you have to use the second syntax. To provide variables in printf, we should mention the format specifier of that variable. Now, format specifier of a variable depends on the data type of the variable. So to print some message with printf, we can write following code like printf hello C. Definitely we are printing a string constant here and this string is containing collection of these characters. Definitely it will print as it is. So we can pass any string constant to print as message on the console screen. Now suppose we have created a variable as follows and we want to print it with the help of printf. Definitely we have to specify the format specifier of it and we can print this num variable like this. Now this is the format specifier which I was talking about for so long. Now what is a format specifier? Format specifier is a string which is used in formatted input and output functions. So whenever we want to input or whenever we want to output variables, we definitely use these format specifiers. And it actually determines the format of the input and output. Now there are different format specifiers available for us. You can clearly see for signed integer we are having %d and in place of %d we can also use %i. For unsigned integer we are having %u. For unsigned octal integer we are having %o. For unsigned hexadecimal integer %x in lowercase and in uppercase. For floating point values %f. For scientific notation %e both in lowercase and uppercase. For characters %c. For string %s and for long signed integer %ld. Now these all are strings because there are two characters over there. The first one is the percentage symbol and the second one is any specific alphabet, and it can be a collection of alphabets as well. So because this is a string constant, it has to be enclosed inside double quote. Now more than one variable can also be printed together with the help of printf function. So if you want, you can have more than one variables. Like I have created 3 variables over here and they are of different data types, integer, float and character respectively. So we can print them within a single printf, and like this you have to specify the format specifier of individual variables, and the variable names should be separated by commas in the same order in which you have written the format specifier. And note that these format specifiers should be part of these double quotes. And format specifiers and all the variables should also be separated by a comma. So now it's time to see these things practically. So here we are on our Visual Studio Code, and let me open a new file in this section 4, and this file will be tutorial20.c. Now here's our file. Now let me tell you one thing, this stdio.h, standard input output.h, is the header file in which the printf function is defined. So if we want to use that printf function, we have to include that stdio.h header file. And then in the main method, I am going to create few variables and I'm going to print them along with their format specifiers. Okay, so I have written down the code over here. You can clearly see in the main, I have created three different variables with name int variable, char variable, and float variable of data type integer, character, and float respectively. I have stored 10, A, and 25.5 in them, and I have used this printf statement to print these values. Now the order in which I have written down the variable is the same order in which I have specified the format specifier. Now clearly you can see in int variable I have used %d, for char variable I have used %c, and for float variable I have used %f. Now if I will run this, definitely it will give us the output that you can see over here. Clearly the values are printing in the same order and the values are definitely correct. Now in case if you will change the order, now let me show you that. In case, suppose if accidentally I have changed the order, then what will be the output? So let me run this again. Clearly see the output over here. Now it's printing only one value, and that is 10. And that is the integer variable's value. It is not printing the float variable and not even the char variable, right? So clearly this is because the float variable cannot be converted to character, and then after it stopped printing any other thing. So printf will not print the output if the format specifier is incompatible with the variables. Now let me show you one more case. Let's suppose if I have mentioned the integer and character variable, but I forgot to mention the float variable. So the last variable is missing, but the first two variables are correct and compatible. So let me run this now. And before running this, let me clear this console and let me run this again. So now you can see the output. The first two outputs are correct, but the last one is printed as 0.0000. Okay, so hence in case if the format specifier and variables are matching, only few of them are matching and last few are missing or are not matching, so it will give the output up to the correct matching format specifier and variable name. Now the last thing that I wanted to show you is related to the char variable. So let me print this char variable over here, and the interesting thing is I will print it not with the %c but with %d. So let's see this one. Okay, and let me run this again after clearing the console screen, and you can see the output. This time this character variable is printing integer, and how this is possible. So if you remember in my previous tutorial I told you about ASCII codes. Definitely in our upcoming tutorial we are going to discuss about ASCII codes, but till then you can understand each and every character is having an integer code assigned to it, right? Just like capital A is having 65 assigned to it, small a is having 97. So if I will run this now, it will print 97. So in this tutorial, we have seen the printf function and all the format specifiers that we can use with the printf function. Now that marks the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we are going to discuss about few programs along with this printf function. So they are really interesting and you are going to gain a lot of confidence for your C programming knowledge. So that marks the end of this tutorial. Hope to meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, thank you and happy programming.